Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use an emoji shortcut feature on Instagram. Instagram has added personalized emoji shortcuts to its app, placing your most used emojis above your keyboard then you begin to comment on a post. This feature allows users to leave comments faster. Follow these steps and you will learn how you can use emoji shortcuts. Go to your Instagram home tab and find the post you want to comment on. Tap the comment icon underneath the post. Now on your screen you see an emoji shortcut bar that appears above the text box. In this case, your favorite emojis are easily and quickly accessible and you don't need to switch keyboards to add emojis into your comments. Click on any of these emojis and write your comment. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use emoji shortcuts on Instagram comments. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.